Welcome to Barcelona, Spain. I'm gonna be in Barcelona, Spain for the next 4 days doing my first solo trip ever. I was here a couple days before with one of my good friends and I had a great time. And now I'm here to spend the rest of my time in Barcelona solo traveling. I'm so nervous. It's gonna be a really crazy experience for me because I've never ever traveled internationally by myself. It's crazy. So anyways, let me give you some background. Like, how did I actually end up traveling solo? This was not on purpose. One of my friends, we were supposed to go to Barcelona together, but she flaked on me. But I thought to myself, like, am I gonna just not go on this trip because like she's not gonna be with me? Like, this could be an opportunity to visit a city I've never been in before, get the experience of solo traveling. And I just felt like it would be an experience that would allow me to grow as a person, allow me to see that I can be independent in a totally different country. And I just feel like it's such a privilege to be able to, as a solo woman, go to a different country. Like, I think that's such a cool privilege that I have, so might as well take advantage of it. The only thing though is I'm not only traveling during this time, I'm also going to be working remotely. So right now Barcelona is 6 hours difference from New York time. So I'll be spending my morning doing tourist activities and the evenings doing work stuff. I did set myself up well before coming to Barcelona. What I did is I did a lot of extra work so that I wouldn't have to work too hard this week. I'll just attend the meetings that I have scheduled and, you know, just finish up remaining assignments that I have. So yeah, I'm super excited to take you guys on this journey of solo traveling. I'm a little bit nervous. There are a lot of things I haven't done before, like eating dinner just by myself, spending 3 days with no one that I know, going to a country where I don't even know the language. I know nothing about Spanish. This is going to be an experience for us to grow together, and we're going to be travel buddies. You know what? I might not have a physical travel buddy, but you're my travel buddy, and we're going to have a great time solo traveling. Before we head out to the first 2 activities, I do want to give you a quick tour of my hotel. When you walk into the room, the first thing you have is the bathroom, and we have like the toilet here in that place, and then also the shower in that little closet, and this is the entire bathroom space. And now we enter the bedroom, which is a pretty spacious bedroom. This is a queen size bed. You can see like we have a huge TV, a little sitting area where I'll be doing a lot of my work, like huge nightstands. And my favorite part is this Juliet balcony that I have access to, where I can see into the neighborhood that I live in. So that was a quick tour. Let's go and see the Gaudi museums. Hola everyone! We're gonna start the day by going to Casa Boteo and then to Casa Mila. They're actually really close to my hotel, so yeah, we're gonna walk over there. It's gonna be a 2-minute walk. We have our matcha latte and we're ready to start the day. So I just finished lunch, and believe it or not, I actually made friends with the people who were sitting right next to me, which is crazy because I'm not someone who usually talks to strangers. They were other Americans based in Los Angeles. So Austin and Andre, if you're watching this, hey. Okay guys, I am back and I had a great time for my first day solo. Barcelona is freezing. Whoever told me Barcelona was warm is a liar. It has been very cold my entire time here. It's time to actually do my work, do the thing that they pay me to do, and yeah, I'm exhausted, but we're gonna get this work done today. Hola everyone, welcome to day 3 of my travel in Barcelona. So yesterday was a total wash day. Like, I was just not feeling it, feeling kind of sad, so I took the day off to recover, to rest, and today I'm feeling a lot better. So today we're going to Park Güell. If you remember Cheetah Girls, the third one where they're in Barcelona, they actually go to Park Güell. That's where they do the iconic dance, "You gotta strut like you mean it." Does anyone know? Let me know down in the comments if you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, so today that's where I'm headed to. It's a park designed by Gaudi. Everything in this city is all about Gaudi. I'm really excited to see it and to relive some childhood memories. It's such a steep hike, y'all. I did not expect it to be such a steep hike to Park Güell. Barcelona is a lot hillier than I thought it would be. Oh, we're almost there. Do you hear my breath? Totally thought I lost my ticket, but I actually did find it. Okay, so we're at Park Güell right now. Pro tip, if you're coming here, you definitely want to make sure that you get a ticket so you don't have to wait in that long line. If I didn't have a ticket, I'd have to wait like 2 hours, y'all. So make sure you get your own ticket. So let's enjoy the park. Okay, just wrapped up visiting Park Güell. Park Güell, guys. I'll just keep it the name right here so you can see it. Now I'm heading over to get some lunch. It was really nice, but it was super crowded. There was also one point where I thought I forgot my ticket. When I saw the line, I was like, I'm never coming back here. So yeah, I'm gonna go grab lunch right now. Probably gonna go back to the area near my hotel since there are a lot of good restaurants over there. But yeah, that's how it's been. So if you guys ever find yourselves in Barcelona, you definitely want to check out this app. It's called Free Now. I don't know if you can see it, but it's kind of like their version of Uber. Get local taxis instantly. Another pro tip, if you're thinking about traveling to Barcelona too, is to get this app that allows you to have a SIM card basically. So you can connect to internet, 3G from a foreign country, and you can get SIM cards from every country. It's really cool. And I've been using it and it's been pretty good. It's called Airlo and it's a super convenient app. And yeah, so I stopped to get dessert, which is so typical of me. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be heading to my hotel to figure out where to get lunch. Okay, so we are back in the room. I decided not to go to lunch. I'm actually feeling pretty satisfied with the coffee and the donut and the granola bar that I had today. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to just do a couple assignments so that I can do the remaining tourist activity I have later today, which is a walking tour in El Raval, grab dinner, and then come back and start the work day that way. But then if I do the work now, that will mean that I have less work to do during the workday and I can sleep a little bit earlier. Today, my last meeting is actually at 10 p.m., which is 4 p.m. Eastern time. Today is one of the more chaotic days because I do have some meetings, but we will get everything done today. And yeah, I'm feeling really good today.
And the City Hall has one of the biggest finds in all Europe if you write on the wall.
Okay everyone, so now we're back home and I'm exhausted. You know the meme you girl boss too close to the sun or whatever?
I fear I may have girl bossed a bit too close to the sun.
That's totally me. I did way too much activities to have the strength to do work later today, and it's like basically 5 p.m. So I'm so glad I did work during the middle of the day because this is making my life a little bit easier. But I do have meetings until 11 p.m. today, and what I should have done was set the meeting for earlier. I really regret it. I thought it would be really easy for me to do the meeting. I did a lot of activities today. I should not have done that. But whatever. We're just gonna like push through and try to make the best of the situation. But I think going forward, I'm only gonna do like one activity, do as much work as possible during the day, and then just only do my meetings in the night if I absolutely have to. I learned my lesson. But today was a great day regardless. So this was definitely one of my favorite travel days. I'm realizing that I really, really like remote work. It's so much fun, and it's just nice to be able to like leave whenever you want to do exactly what you want to do. Of course, it's a little bit lonely. What I'm finding is that I'm actually meeting a lot of solo travelers. I think Barcelona is just a city with a lot of solo travelers. Believe it or not, I actually met someone who was like a 19-year-old doing her like gap year, which I didn't realize that was a thing, but she just graduated from high school and she was going to spend 2 months traveling by herself throughout Europe, which is insane that a 19-year-old is like this independent and this brave enough to do solo traveling. But I'm extremely impressed. Anyways, let's continue to do work, and I will see you guys probably tomorrow. This is when I realized I made a huge mistake. I definitely underestimated how hard it would be to work East Coast hours in Barcelona. The 6-hour time difference was a killer. This is also when I knew I might not be able to do full-time remote work in a different time zone, unless I'm able to have more control over my schedule. Hey everyone, what is up? Welcome to the last day of my solo trip, and we're going to a very special place. We're going to La Sagrada Familia. This is Gaudi's crowning jewel, and it's one of the most famous spots in Barcelona to check out. I'm super excited to show you guys. I've already seen it, but I'm not leaving here until I also show it to y'all. So we're gonna see from the outside because I totally misjudged today. Today is like a bank holiday and I didn't even know about it. So a lot of the plans I had are a little bit ruined because of this. So yeah, we're gonna head over to La Sagrada Familia. I think I'm gonna end the vlog right here, and thank you guys so much for watching this video. This is my first time solo traveling, and I never felt alone because I had y'all. As always, if you want to see more content from me, or if you like this video, make sure to click the like button and smash the subscribe button. Would I solo travel again? I would 100% solo travel again. I had a great time. I just wish this trip was longer. Like, I'm kind of sad that I have to go. I'm heading on a flight to Rome in the next couple minutes, but yeah, I think I'll also vlog that. Let me know if you want to see a vlog in Rome, and thank you guys so much. So my final verdict on solo travel is that I love it. One of my goals this year is to enjoy myself and put myself first, and solo travel is one of the best ways to do that. I basically got to focus on me, listen to how I was feeling, what I wanted, and prioritize everything about me. If I wanted to leave a museum early, I did. If I wanted to grab a specific meal at a specific restaurant, I did. It was nice getting to do everything I personally wanted to do and not having to consider anyone else. And Barcelona, I think, was the best city to experience solo travel. I got to meet some other women who were solo traveling. I felt safe most of the time, and I didn't have any racist experiences. Of course, I got stares, but I definitely would recommend Barcelona as a place to go to if you're thinking about solo traveling.